class 9, English chapter 1, A Letter to God. Lencho is the main character in this story. He was a farmer and he was he had deep faith in God. Then in this video we will discuss some textual question. In short video you will get some textual question. First question is, what did Lencho hope for? Lencho hoped for a good harvest, but the earth needed but the earth needed a downpour or at least a shower. Means Lencho hoped for a good harvest, and for a good harvest the earth needed a downpour or at least a shower. या उसको गुड हार्वेस्ट होप कर रहा था और इसके लिए खेत में पानी बरसात की ज़रूरत थी, या तो हेवी राउंड वर्षा हो या कम से कम थोड़ी सी वर्षा हो जाए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Lencho became happy. What did Lencho say? The rain. Why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? Lencho became happy when the rainfall began, and rainfall was the indication of good harvest. Therefore, Lencho, compared those raindrops to new coins. The rainfall was the prediction of a good harvest that year for Lencho. Therefore, he compared the raindrops with new coins. Next is, how did the rain change? What happened to Lencho's fields? The rainfall began as per the prediction of Lencho, but after some time, a strong wind began to blow, and along with it, it started, hailstone began to rain. It rained for an hour and destroyed Lencho's field. Not even a leaf was visible on the tree. The whole valley was covered with hail. The field was white as if covered with salt. Not a leaf remained on the tree. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. This was what happened to Lencho's field. This is the condition. What were Lencho's feeling when the hail stops? Lencho became heartbroken. He stood in the middle of the field and told his sons that even a plague of locusts would have left more than that, but the hailstone had left nothing. It had destroyed the whole field, and that year they would have to go hungry. They would have to stay hungry that year. This was what he did when this was what he felt. Lencho felt when the rain stopped. Next, who or what did Lencho had faith in? What did he do? Lencho had faith in God, and therefore he wrote a letter to God demanding 100 pesos in order to sow new crops and also to maintain his family until the new crops came. He wrote a letter to God. Next is, who read the letter? The postmaster read the letter. And what did the postmaster do then? After reading the letter, the postmaster first laughed, but immediately he realized the depth of faith Lencho had in God, and he wanted to have the same amount of faith in his heart. Therefore, not to break his faith in God, he wanted to help Lencho. He collected 70 pesos from his friend, employees, and added a part of his own salary to that, and after that he collected 70 pesos and sent it to Lencho. This was what he did. Next is, was Lencho surprised to find the letter for him with money in it? Yes, Lencho wrote a letter to God and in reply he got money along with a letter from God. Then he would have been surprised if he would have been a, an average person, but he was pure and spotless. He had, you see, absolute commitment in God, absolute faith in God. Therefore, even when he got some money along with letter from God, he did not, you see, he was not surprised at all. Next is what made him angry. Lencho um, got the letter and found money. He counted the money and it was short by 30 pesos. He had demanded, he had made a demand for 100 pesos from God, but only 70 peso he received. Therefore he got angry, and the reason behind his anger was that he felt that the post office employees were a bunch of crooks. They had taken away his money. Therefore he wrote another letter to God telling him not to send money to him through post office because they were the bunch of crooks. Next is, why does postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? The postmaster had also faith in God, and he did not want to break Lencho's faith in God. Therefore, he helped Lencho. He collected 70 pesos from his friends as donation. His employees, he added his own a part of his own salary and collected 70 pesos, sent it to Lencho, and so that Lencho's faith in God should not break. And uh, he signed the letter to God. He signed the letter God because he wanted Lencho to believe that God had sent him the letter, not anyone else. Then this you see 10 question in this video, and rest of the question in next video I will give you. Thank you. आप इसको देखिए, आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में कुछ आंसर्स के हिंट्स भी मिल जाएंगे. थैंक यू.